could you be the one? Good, good. Good, good. Could you be the one? Yeah, I know I wanna. Could you be the one?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique Macreed. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you've been there before, thank you so much for still taking your time to watch my channel. I don't take it for granted. Be blessed. So guys, it's been so long since I worked out. I'm going to be telling you the reason why very soon, so keep it locked here. So the thing is, I had taken a break before working out, and as usual you have to start with some sort of beginner mode kind of exercises. Yeah, so this is what you're going to do today. Low impact exercise that is suitable for beginners. perfect beginner's workout according to myself, because number one, it is low intensity. Number two, it is low impact. Remember, your body is not used to the range of motion. Your heart is also not used to that kind of activity level. For me, it's always about working out and ensuring that you're safe as you're doing. I'm expecting you to do that workout 3 times. By the time you're done, guys, your fat will be screaming and you're going to be sweating all the toxins. Okay, so let me know, try the workouts, let me know how you feel and what you think about them in the comment section. As always, it was my pleasure, and thank you for having me, for you